insurance, an arrangement by which a company or the state undertakes to provide a guarantee of the compensation for the specific losses, damages, illnesses, or the death of the return for the payment of a specific premium. I think provide protection against the possible eventuality. Meaning of gambling. Gambling, the battle or the staking of something of the value with the consciousness of the risk and the hope of the gain on the outcome of the game. A contest or an uncertain event whose result may be determined by the chance or the accident or have an unexpected result by the reason of the battery's miscalculation. Difference between insurance and gambling. Insurance and gambling. In insurance, the aim of taking an insurance is not to gain profit but to secure protection against the risk in his future. In gambling, the aim of gambling is to gain profit from the uncertainty lying in the event. Second, in insurance, the insured person has his interest in the insured sum. In gambling, the bet person has risk in gambling. Third, there is a risk before the insurance contract. In gambling, there is no risk at the time of contract. In insurance, there is a legal agreement or contract. In gambling, there is an illegal agreement. In insurance, scheme against misfortunate or accidental risk, there is a risk against loss. In gambling, there the fortunate get heavenly profit. In insurance, there is gain against loss. In gambling, there is nothing like gain against loss. In insurance agreement, there is a principle or complete assurance or confidence which is to be maintained. In gambling, there is no such principle which is to be maintained. In insurance, there is a cover against the risk or loss. In gambling, there is a danger of both the batsman and the gambler. In insurance, there is a proper loss as well as proper. In gambling, actually there is no risk but it is has evaluated. In insurance, the insurer get an amount in form of a premium from the insured for bearing the risk. In gambling, no such provision exists. In insurance, the insurance against the proper risk, the insured amount is paid against covering the risk. In gambling, there is no existence of proper risk.